My dear students, today we are discussing about infertility. What is the infertility? So, infertility is refers to the biological inability of a person to contribute to the conception. So, it is a it is infertility may be also referred to the state of woman who is unable to carry a pregnancy. So, who is unable to carry a pregnancy. Carry a pregnancy to full term means up to 9 months. So is known as infertility. So infertility, it is a many biological causes are the different biological causes are there for the infertility. Biological causes are including some medical intervention can treat. So women who are fertile experience in the natural period of fertility before and during the ovulation, and they are naturally infertile during the rest of the menstrual cycle. So the causes and infertility means unable to carry the pregnancy means at the 4th month, 5th month, 6th month, up to 9 months, miscarriage is also known as the infertility. Infertility means full term up to 9 months. So up to 9 months, so unable to carry the pregnancy is known as infertility. So causes and factors involved in the infertility. What are they? Number one is the ovulation problem. Number two is tubal blockage. Number three is age-related factors. Number four is uterine problems. Number five is PID, pelvic inflammatory diseases. Number six is the endometriosis. And number seven is the advanced maternal age, advanced maternal age. So these are the causes and factors are involved in the infertility in the female. So the infertility occur in the male 30%, in female 30% occur, and combined is the male and female is a 10%. Unexplained is a 25%, and other factors 5%. So up to 100%, in 100%, so male side 30%, female side 30%, both is a 10%, unexplained is a 25%, and 5% is the others. So these are the causes the infertility in the body. And the next one, the first of all, ovulation problems. What about the ovulation problems? So ovulation problems is the absence of the ovulation. So absence of the egg formation. So absence of ovulation. These are common causes. The anovulation is also known as a anovulation. So anovulation is how to form the anovulation with the one syndrome, that is the PCOD syndrome. So polycystic ovarian syndrome. So polycystic ovarian syndrome. So the polycystic ovarian syndrome disease. So these are occur in the body. It leads to the infertility. So cyst means like air bubbles occur in the female organisms at the development of the egg. So what is the normal size of the cyst? 2 to 9 mm. So 2 to 9 mm size is no problem. In case of increases this value, it leads to the PCOD problem. So the PCOD it leads to the irregular menstrual cycle. So that is the PCOD. That is the ovulation problem. And number two, tubal blockage. Tubal blockage means simply is the tubal blockage means tubal occlusion. So mechanism which is the tubal blockage process prevent the pregnancy. It is mainly involved in the prevent of the pregnancy. Tubal blockage prevent prevent the sperm movement. It not reaches to the eggs, so unable to reach the uterus, and there is no chance for the formation of pregnancy, so it leads to the infertility. So that's one. And the next one, PID. So PID means pelvic inflammatory diseases. Pelvic inflammatory diseases means the inflammation occur in the uterus, fallopian tubes, and ovaries. So it formation the scare formation with the adherence of the nearby the tissues of organ. It leads to the infertility. And the next one, age related factor. So normally pregnant age minimum up to 32 years is a 100% egg development occur in the woman. So up to 37% it decreases the percentage. After 37%, maximum 90%, it leads to the 90% it leads to the infertility. So up to 32 years of female age, 100% eggs releases. So there is no problem in the formation of the pregnancy. In case of increases the age up to 37 years, so it formation the pregnancy, but it decreases the chances of the pregnancy. And after 37 years, 90%, there is no chance for the pregnancy. Means age related factors also involved in the infertility. And the next one, endometriosis and uterine problems. These are all occur in the body. It leads to the infertility. So simply, infertility means who is unable to carry the pregnancy in the full term is known as infertility. So infertility is also known as the unable to formation of the pregnancy. Unable to carry the pregnancy in the full term. So full term means here the 4th month and 5th months also it leads to the miscarriage. Up to 9 months it leads to the miscarriage. That is called as a spontaneous abortion. So this topic tomorrow, and tomorrow we will discuss about spontaneous abortion. So if you have any doubts from this topic, tomorrow we will discuss. Thank you.